Hello guys and welcome to my thumb roll tutorial. Now the thumb roll looks like this. I'll do that again. Very simple trick. Now it's used in basically every combo that you'll see, unless it's something like a Z-choker combo, fan combo. It's going to be used in basically every combo that you see. And to do the trick, you need to get your balisong in this grip, where you're holding the bite handle and thumb on the Zen pin or just below it. Same on the back. Then you're going to have it in the close and you're going to flick it towards your thumb like that. Keep practicing that motion. Now once you think you've got that down and it's swinging cleanly against your thumb, you're going to feel it want to kind of go over. And what you're going to have to do is release these other fingers, including your pointer, like completely let go. And it should spin around like that. So I'll show you that again. It should spin around, and you want to catch it on this handle. Now to catch it, it's a lot simpler than it seems. All you need to do is just kind of watch this top handle with your hand, with your eyes, and as you see it come around slowly, it's going to come around like that. It's going to come around like that, and then you just want to catch this handle, and then you bring it down and up, depending on what handle it is. So if you're on the bite handle, like I normally do, down and then up, round, up, round, up. Super easy trick. And it's used in literally every combo. Like I don't actually know a combo that doesn't use a thumb roll, like an advanced long combo, not something that's just like 2-3 moves.